Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you can hear me. Looks like we have, 3 watching right now. Hopefully that'll pick up. I haven't done a live stream in a long time, and we're just going to talk through some things here. I was hoping we'd just talk about whatever you guys want to talk about in the channel. I'm hearing an echo, though. Hold on. Let me get rid of that. All right, well, let me throw out there what kind of Linux you guys using. If you're using Linux at all yet, maybe you're just learning about it. Use it on desktop, laptop, use it for work, on servers. What else are you using? Using Kubernetes? Are you doing some Terraform? Tom, what's going on, man? I was wondering if you were going to show up. Yeah, so Tom, you use Linux at work, right? I need some kind of music here or something. So use it work and home. I might have to be ready to turn this down a little bit. It's probably going to be too loud. Yeah, see, I don't have Windows on anything anymore. Let's see. Yeah, so what version of CentOS are you using there at work? I'll hook up this music in a second. There it goes. Or maybe I won't. And what are you going to do with those servers at work now that you can't upgrade to CentOS 8? That wasn't a good thing to happen. There. That's needed some kind of music in the background for me. Oh, geez, CentOS 5. Even CentOS 6 is end of life, I think, in November it was, right? Yeah, I didn't like how, I was a big Red Hat CentOS guy for the longest time. I think my first distro I used was Red Hat 303 back in like 96 or 97. And then, of course, bounced around from Red Hat to like Mandrake to Slack to so whatever. Don't fix it until it's broken. Unless, of course, you want security patches, right? Well, so far, me and Tom are in the chat. Who else is in the chat here? Yeah, there's a couple companies. There's Rocky Linux, which has I think it was one of the first creators of CentOS. He wasn't involved with them anymore, but he heard what happened and started up a new thing called Rocky Linux. I'm actually linked to them on linux.org. But yeah, there's a link there if you want to check them out. Don't fix it till it's broken. Well, Tom, we're going to need some more people in the chat here to talk to, right? So Fedora on your laptop, are you using the latest version or an older version? Are you do you need to use the newest version to get the coverage for your, the drivers for your stuff? Yeah, I was hoping there'd be a few more than 3. Yeah, that's how I was too with Fedora. Right now I'm using a System 76 laptop. And it just came with Pop! OS, which is Ubuntu, basically, with a couple of little odds and ends difference. But yeah, this is my work laptop. They got that for me. I've been using it for, I might have got it about a year ago. I did a quick rundown of it when I got it on this channel. Yeah, about a year or so ago, I guess it was. I can tell you now, since I'll look it up real quick. Once that link goes. Yeah, it looks like, well, yeah, November of 2019. So I've had this thing a while. So you always wait till after the new one comes out, look for reports of problems before you upgrade. Yeah, me too. Yeah, if you're going, I'll do that when I go through major releases. So you watched my video on move and copy. What do I use grep with ls when you can pass your search argument directly to ls? I don't know. That's just how I did it one day back in the day. And now it's just kind of muscle memory. I'll even cat a file and grep the pattern instead of just grepping the file directly. But I caught myself doing that again earlier. Today, actually, I did it. Maybe I'll, oh no. Nope. Well, why don't I, if you feel like it, let me see if I can find you. Well, let's put the link here. So that's anyway. But then we can, you can hop on if you want, and we can talk some Linux stuff. Yeah. So as I was saying before, I was a big Red Hat guy, big CentOS guy. And at work, we have most of our servers were CentOS. Just upgraded a bunch from 6 to 7. And then got a bunch of new ones running 7. Then I switched to another group at work. And that group was using mostly Ubuntu on everything. We don't have too many servers up. We use some servers, but then it's mostly everything's in Kubernetes through Azure. Yeah, that's right. We can keep this talking. Yeah, I wish there was a way to make me smaller so that there was like me and then like the background behind me. But yeah, so the group I'm working with now is mostly using Kubernetes, and then we're also a lot of the things that we manually built back in the day. We're just rewriting everything in Terraform to get everything so we can scale it and whatnot. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about the phoning home part. I believe you. Let's see. But yeah, there's a lot of people who are upset with the whole CentOS thing. We do have it at a couple servers on my new group, but then also have it at home. I mean, at home I can just keep running that forever. They're not public or anything, so I'll just keep running it. Don't have to worry about security updates or anything. Yeah, let's get some more people in the chat here. Oof. Either way, I'll leave this running, or I'll leave this this video up, so that way people can see what we're talking about, see what the format's like, and we'll come back on next Wednesday. But I'll go for at least another 15 minutes. If no one else jumps in, I'll probably cut it short. Hop on my other channel and go live. Maybe I'll make a topic to the next one. This one was mostly, just kind of introducing myself, and was hoping to kind of bounce off the chat, have people in the chat talk about, ask different questions or bring up different topics we talk about, like how Tom was bringing up the CentOS stuff. So I'd love to have some other people to talk to about that. And I'm just going through something here. Where is it? There it is. Cool. Yeah, so upcoming shows, we'll have some kind of a format. Maybe we can have a. Now I have another YouTube channel, which has it's more of a cooking channel, barbecue and stuff. And what I'll do is maybe I'll do a video on live on what kind of software to use if you're a video creator. I also want to do one in depth with Kubernetes. A lot of people are using that now, and we've been using it for a while here at work. Maybe a Terraform one. I think that'd be interesting. Sorry, your internet went wonky again. You do? I don't know what your do was. I don't know what you're asking me. Oh, I have another channel. That's what I'm thinking you meant. Yeah, I guess I got to build this channel up a little bit. It's got some subscribers, but I wonder if they're real at all. All right, Tom, we got 12 minutes. What do you want to talk about? Do you have any? All right, there you go. You're setting up a server for a website you're starting. Let's talk about your server for the website. Is that going to be at your house? You're just doing like a port forward thing? And then the next question is going to be about your email server. Okay. Linode's good. They're near me, kind of. They're in Jersey or Philly. Using Apache or Nginx or... Yeah, I've set up a couple email servers at work. Also, Mailman server for mailing lists and things. Lately, I've been setting up all the email servers to go through SendGrid. So you don't have to worry about any of the spammy stuff going out. It's just easier. Okay. Apache, MySQL, PHP. I used that forever, and then when I rebuilt the Linux.org server, ended up going with Nginx. Still using MySQL though. Going through SendGrid for SMTP. Like a trusted email SMTP service. So if any mail goes outbound from those mail servers I set up, they just, they're all trusted. They get to where they need to be without having to worry about if it went into spam. I think it's, is it $15 a month maybe for 40,000 emails? Okay, yep. I've used WordPress a ton. Actually, I wrote a little script that goes and grabs WordPress. It, it unpacks the zip, puts it in the right directory. It changes the permissions on some of the folders, gets rid of some stuff like the README, changes permissions on some files. Then it goes and creates a user and password for the database, and it changes it in the file, that wp-config file, and then echoes out at the very end what you need to set the user and password for in MySQL. But yeah, it's a cool little script. I will share it to you. Yeah. Man, now it says 0 people are watching. Although I know it says 2. Yeah, that's another topic we could do. Scripting that saved you time. Have different people tell about the different scripts they wrote. We got Ben. What's going on? How'd you find me? Trying to hide over here. Yes, I work with Ben. I didn't know you knew about my Linux channel, Ben. I don't do many videos on this one. I want to. Yeah, I thought you were just subbed on the food one. I guess I told you about this one back when we used to work in the office. Tom knows all about Linux. He's trying to be funny. He's another nice cooking channel guy that I told I was doing a live on my Linux channel. And we're a little upset. Nobody showed up. But we're going to end it here in another about 5 minutes or so. Just so there's something that there's on there. I'm going to try to do this every Wednesday. So I figure if I put one up, have kind of a format going, and I'll just get bigger every week, hopefully. But yeah, what are you working on tonight, Ben? Anything fun? Okay. Cleaning a fish tank. Nice. Now, where do you put your fish while you're doing that? Like in a glass, I guess? Like in a bowl? Yeah, Tom, I don't think I'm subscribed to him. I'll have to look. GQ, BBQ. Oh, he's got a lot of subscribers. That one's probably going to be boring, huh? Oh, no more fish. Well, then at least you'll have room, wherever that fish tank was. Now you can put something cool there. Ah, cool, Tom. Luke Smith? No, what kind of tutorials? Linux stuff or? Oh yeah, looks like it. Yeah, I'll have to check that out, man. Yeah, I just did a search for him. I saw it's got like a ton of views on everything. Yeah, there are a ton of channels out there. I think what I got to do is I'll advertise it on Linux.org for like the next week. So tonight at some point, I'll put next week's show up for an advertisement for next week's show up on there. That way, everybody will know about it. Oh, Ben, like shit. What was his name? Oh, like Brett. Didn't Brett go off the grid now? Out in Ohio or something? Yeah, actually, I started this channel, this Linux channel first, and then after that, I was like, meh, maybe I'll do a cooking channel, or maybe I'll do this channel, something else. Yeah, I started this one. 25. Wow, back in 2015. So you're in Ohio. Yeah, I don't know where in Ohio this is a guy that worked with us, where Ben and I work. And he ended up leaving his position with us so he could work for another company, but work from home 24/7. But he was going, he was working on an off-the-grid type property for a while. So I think that's where he went, somewhere in Ohio. But yeah, for the next one, maybe we'll do a Kubernetes little walkthrough. Maybe we'll do some Terraform stuff. Maybe we'll look through Luke Smith's videos and see which are the most popular and do that. Yeah, remote position pre-COVID. Now we're all remote positions. Hopefully it stays like that. Yeah, kubectl. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. I'll have to spin up a new thing, so I'm not using Works infrastructure, but it should be fun. Share my screen and stuff. Yeah, well, we've been on for about a half hour. Probably gonna switch out, maybe go live on the cooking channel. Talk with some friends over there, and close this one out. Thanks, Ben, for showing up. Yeah, we'll spin up some pods. Well, thanks, Ben, for hopping in. Thanks, Tom, for hopping in. Says there's 5 in there, but 2 in the chat. So I'm going to go ahead and hop off, and I'll schedule another one for next Wednesday. Probably going to go, about the same, if there's about the same amount of people in the chat. But if we can get it ramping up a little bit, I have people asking questions. Maybe I'll plan something in advance too. That'll actually work out like a tutorial type video. I will go ahead and do that. Today I just wanted to just kind of have it loose, have fun, and just kind of announce that we're going to do every Wednesday at 8 type thing. So thanks again, you guys.